Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So draw a flower like this, and then we have to take a green color thread and put the running stitches like this and fill the thread inside it as shown in the video. Now you can see how we have done it. Now put these stitches in the between using this knot making technique. So you can see we are rolling the threads over the needle and then putting it in the between like this and fill it like this. And your beautiful flower is almost ready. You can keep fixing it like this and it's done. Next, you can take a strap like this and then take the thread and the needle. Now you can make a cherry over it. So you can see how we are fixing it. So first we'll be making its stem. So you can see we have made two parallel stitches like this, and then we'll be making this V-like shape and fix it. Now we have to cut it from the back. Now take a red color thread and using the knot making technique, we'll be making the cherries over it like this. So you can see how cute they are looking. And your cherries are almost done. Don't forget to fix it on the back like this and it's ready. Next is we have to take a thread as shown in the video and just put a coin in the between and mark the dots like this around the circle. So you can see we have then put the dots, and then we'll be putting these threads along the dots like this by making a star like shape first. So you can see we are making the star. Fix it. Put the thread one by one as shown in the video and fix the star stitches like this. Now after that we have to fix it. Now put these stitches one by one carefully as we are doing here in this video. Now make a star like shape as we are doing here. Fix it properly like this and make a snowflake like this, and it's almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a dress like this. Now cut its sleeves or to shorten its length. Now fold it like this inwards after marking the line. Now you have to put the thread like this, put the needle and make the stitches like this as shown in the video. So you can see how we are putting the V-like shape over the stitches as we are doing here. Make the V-like shape as we are doing here in this video. Now fix the stitches like this. Now after that we have to put the threads as shown in the video. Now put it like this. Now after that we have to fix the threads till the end and make a V-like shape as we are doing here, and it's done. Next you have to take a thread in the needle like this. Now you have to mark the lines and then you have to put the stitches like this. So you can see we are putting the long running stitches as we are doing here in this video. You have to follow these steps. So keep following it like this and put the stitches as shown in the video. So you can see how we are taking it to the other side like this in the similar manner. Repeat the process. Fix the stitches. Now after that we have to follow the line like this. Now we have to fix the thread by stretching the threads tightly, and it's done. Look how neat and clean it's looking. Next is we have to take the dress and fold it like this from the side. Put the stitch like this by folding it and fixing the thread in the between. You can put a pen like this first to fix it. It's done. Thanks for watching our video.